We are diving deep into data analysis using Pandas, and today we will be covering essential techniques that will help you unlock insights from your datasets. So here are a few things that we will be focusing on today, where point number 7 and point number 8 are very much crucial to check in every dataset that you will be working on, so make sure you watch it till the end to start with Pandas efficiently. So let's head to the very first point, how to import a dataset. So here we will be first importing Pandas. I'll write import Pandas as PD. By the time we will upload our dataset, so if you are using Google Colab, just click on the file icon to the left, then click on upload and select your file and click on OK. And if you are using Jupyter Notebook, please check the comment box. I have attached a short on how to upload files in Jupyter Notebook. Now once your dataset is uploaded, we can see it right here. I have uploaded a dataset which consists of IPL matches, so we will try to import it. I will write pd.read_csv and pass my file name, that is matches.csv, and if I run it, I can see this data frame. I will save it into a variable named df, and now if I check my df, so this is our whole dataset of the IPL matches, which has the match ID, season, city, date, team 1, team 2, toss winner, toss decision, result, DL applied, winner, win by runs, win by wickets, player of the match, venue, umpire, umpire 2 and umpire 3. So this is our dataset, but as you can see, we cannot see the whole dataset here. So the next thing is how to check the top n rows from the dataset. We will write df.head and this will by default give me the top 5 rows. If I pass 10, I will get the top 10 rows. Now let's check the last n rows. I will use the function tail. I will write df.tail. By default it will give me last 5 rows. And we can pass any number. Let's pass 10. And now it will give me last 10 rows. Now how to check the shape of the dataset, which means how many rows and columns are there in the dataset. So for this we will use shape. I will write df.shape and you can see we have 756 rows and 18 columns. Now let's check the hidden information in our dataset. And for this we will use the info function. I will write df.info and if I run it, I will get a lot of information. Now it says we have 756 entries, which means we have 756 rows, and its index charged from 0 to 755. And we have total of 18 columns, and below that we can see the number of column, the name of the column, the non-null count of the values, and the data type of the column. So as you can see here, city is having few missing values, winner is having few missing values, player of the match is having few missing values, and umpire 3 has a lot of missing values. So in our further videos we will be checking how to treat the missing values, and in the data type we can see the data type for each column. Now let's see how to check for the names of the columns. So I will write df.columns. If I run it, I will get all the names of the columns. Now one of the important things to check, that is duplicates or any value that has been duplicated in our dataset. So I will write df.duplicated. So it will give me a series of true and false values. If I just add .sum, it will just sum up all the true values and give us the total duplicated values. Since we don't have any duplicate values in the dataset, it displays 0. Now another important thing to check in our dataset is the missing values. So let's see how to check for the missing values. I will write df.isNull. Now it will give me a huge data frame of true and false values. If I write .sum, it will give me a sum of missing values for each column. As we can see, city has 7 missing values, winner has 4 missing values, and as we checked earlier, we can see umpire 3 column has 637 missing values. Now let's see how to fetch a particular column from the dataset. We will fetch the winner column, and it's pretty simple. I will write df square brackets winner, and if I run it, I will get all the values in that particular column. So let's see how to check for the unique values in the particular column. I will write df column name winner dot unique. So I will get a list of all the unique values in that particular column. If I want to know the number of unique values in each of the columns in our dataset, I will use the nUnique function. So I'll write df.nUnique. I can get a lot of information. So as you already know, there is a unique match ID, so we can see there are 756 matches played. There has been a total of 12 seasons. There are a total of 32 cities in which the match has been played. A total of 15 teams were playing the IPL, and a lot of information can be gained through this function. So that was a small tutorial on how to use Pandas on real world datasets. Stay tuned to get more deeper into it, and if you haven't yet mastered NumPy, the videos and playlists are here on the screen. Please make sure you watch it before going ahead. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.